Ooh. Wow. Take a look at those cars, Lorenzo. Look at the paint. Look at this one. See that one, Lorenzo?
Huh?
It's so sparkly. Look at that. Ooh, look at that one too. And this one. Look, who's this? Hum.
I got Boost.
Boost, right there. Yeah, Boost. Where's the sheriff?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the sheriff. Lorenzo, look at this. This is a big ramp. And then they're gonna go right down here into the pool. Get some gas for Boost.
Mama.
No more. Boost didn't make it. Tokyo Lightning McQueen.
Caca.
Cop car.
Caca.
Here we go. Lightning McQueen. Get some gas for Lightning McQueen. There we go.
Mama.
No more.
That's cool, Daddy.
Yup. Doc?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Gonna get him some gas?
Yeah.
Cool.
And Mama.
No more.
Dad.
Whoa!
Dad.
Doc bounced in. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Which one's next? Tokyo made her. Here we go. Oh. Whoa! He bounced in too.
Yeah.
Get gas.
Mama.
No more gas. Here we go. Woo! Right in. Slow.
Yeah.
Nice. Perfect.
Oh, Mama.
No more.
Wow, I'm cool, Daddy.
Yeah. She's in the pool. Let's see what Lightning McQueen does. Whoa! He bounced in the water.
Oh, Dad.
Bus. Perfect. Got some gas. Nice.
Mama.
No more needed. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Fillmore.
Mama.
Here. Let him go up there again. Yeah, let him go again. Maybe he didn't get a good try. There we go. Fillmore the second time he makes it. Dynaco Lightning McQueen. That's a nice car.
Mama.
No more. Wow. Wow. Shiny Lightning McQueen. Here we go. Right into the pool. Ramon. Yup, right into the pool.
Oh, the ham.
Let's do it. Fill him up with gas. Go, 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 go.
Mama.
No more, he's all good. Whoa!
Hi, Daddy.
Lizzie.
Mama.
No more. Sarge. No more. Oh! Who do you got next? Let me see. Ooh, Lightning McQueen. Let's see him. Fill him up with gas. No more. That's right. He's right there. I see him. And I see Ham too. You see Ham over there?
Yeah.
I see Ham. You can't see him a lot because there's a lot of soap in here. But if we move the water like this, look. Here they all are. Gulp, gulp, gulp. No more. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. Yeah. Snot rod. Let's see him. There you go. 2, 1, go. Woo! He landed right there. Who's that, Mater? Nice. Honk, honk. Here we go. Ooh, Mater didn't even make it. Mater didn't even make it.
No.
It's okay. Yep, the blue ramp. I think every single Ramon has made it so far, Lorenzo.
Yeah, Daddy.
Every single Ramon you put on there has made it.
Yeah.
Oh, Finn McMissile. He's a good car too. I guarantee you he makes it in the pool. There you go. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, he didn't make it. Try him down the blue one.
Yeah.
Nice. Yep. Wow.
Wow.
That is so cool that it just went through that. This is how it looked, look.
Wow.
I'm gonna put a little bit of water on the ramp. Perfect. Smokey, Dynaco Cruz, Sheriff, Dynaco King, Dale Earnhardt Jr., Flo, Mario Andretti, Lightning McQueen, drop him, Ramon, who else? Fabulous Hudson Hornet. Ramon, Ghostlight Ramon. Leakless. We got Ham. Nitrate. I like this one. It's a cool car. Oh, Lizzie. Look at Fillmore. Fillmore. He's a cool truck. Let's see Fillmore go down the ramp. Can we see him go? Backwards. Ooh, nice. Fillmore. Ooh. Lightning McQueen.